This here is a TicWatch Pro and this here is a Samsung Galaxy Watch. Now in this video here we'll be doing a side-by-side comparison between the two and kind of get an idea feel of what's the key differences between the two watches. To begin with, both watches serve the same purpose, meaning they go ahead and tell you about the time, as well as give you different notifications, such as a text message, phone call, etc. But the key distinction is the way they work. Now the TicWatch Pro has two different screens, meaning yes, it actually has dual screens. So it has an analog screen as well as a digital screen. Meaning if you're out in the daylight and if you want to do a quickly look at your watch to see the time, this will go ahead and tell you the time without wiggling it about. However, the Galaxy Watch has only one screen, meaning when it's off, it's off. You have to actually wiggle it or press the on button here to see the time, which is a little bit of a distraction. Now, the nice thing about the Galaxy Watch that the TicWatch Pro doesn't have is it has a rotating bezel. This rotating bezel allows you to go and toggle between the screens, versus the TicWatch Pro actually have to swipe between the screens to see every different functionality, etc. Now, other than that, both watches do have sensors on the back here to give you a live feedback in terms of your heart rate. In terms of battery life goes, I have to say the TicWatch Pro is a little bit less than the Galaxy Watch. The Galaxy Watch I charge once a week versus the TicWatch Pro every couple of days. So do keep that in mind in terms of how often you use your watch. Now both watches have a nice heavy duty feel, and in terms of the looks department goes, I have to say both of them are very appealing. Now the Samsung Galaxy Watch has more of a mechanical kind of feel to it, so if you're more of a mechanical watch kind of person, this might be the watch for you. First, if you're someone who's trying to look for a watch more of on a budget or more of a digital watch, this one here is for you. So do keep that in mind in terms of choosing between the two. Besides that, I have to say this one here is more for the bang for your buck versus the Samsung Galaxy is a little bit overpriced for what it is. Now if you guys have any questions between the two watches, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye bye.